In today's video, I'll demonstrate the process of recovering your Facebook account even if you don't have access to your email address or phone number. This method allows you to save time and regain control of your account without any further delay. Let's dive right into the video. If you've lost access to your Facebook account and lack both your phone number and email address for recovery, follow these steps. Open your internet browser and type "My Facebook account has been hacked" into the search bar. Click on the first link that appears, then select Get Started. You'll be prompted to answer a series of questions. Scroll down and click on the option that states "Someone else gained access to my account." Continue scrolling and select "No, I can't log in." Click on the option that says "No, I don't have access to the phone number or email address." Scroll down one final time and click on this link, facebook.com/login/identify. On this page, you will initially be asked for your mobile number. However, instead, click on the alternative option that says "Search by your email address or name." Enter your full Facebook name and click on Search. Look for your account in the list and click on it. Then choose Try Another Way. Select No longer have access to these. Click on Start and then proceed to upload some form of identification such as your passport, driver's license, or identification card. Click on the Choose File option to upload a photo of your identification. After uploading your ID, scroll down and click on Send. Once you've completed these steps, your Facebook account will be recovered within the next 48 hours, even if you don't have access to your email address or phone number. And that concludes this video tutorial. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe to not miss out on the next ones.